Showing you how to create a Bukkit 1.3.1 Minecraft server. So first of all, we're going to create a new folder on our desktop or wherever you want it to be, just so we can organize all the files. I'm going to call it server, and then I'm going to go to the site listed below, dl.bukkit.org. Let me just go to that. Then you click alternate versions there. And basically you want to look for the top one, which should be 1.3.1. Make sure it says that. Go for the highest one because it's usually the most stable build. You can either click on it and then click download craftbukkit development build, or you can go onto the download button here. Okay, let me wait for it to download. Okay, so download there. I'm just going to discard that. You want to right click on this little green arrow there, save link as, and then we're going to go to desktop, go to your directory, and we're going to save it as craftbukkit. Make sure it's typed out exactly like that and nothing different, otherwise it will not work. Okay, give me 2 seconds while that downloads. Okay guys, so now it's nearly complete. We're just going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the next step while that downloads. So we're going to open up our server folder there. Silver? What am I on about? So that's just downloading there. We can leave that. It should pop up in a minute. But for this step, we don't need it downloaded, to be honest. So we're going to open up a new notepad file. You can use any text editing program to do this step. And you want to copy and paste the code that will be below in the description. So basically I'm running Java 6, so I'm going to put JRE6, but if you're running Java 7, then you're going to put Java 7 JRE7 there. JRE7 is more stable than JRE7, I think that's what I just said. So yeah, try and stick to JRE6, Java 6 if you can. So here we have two lots of numbers. This is how much RAM your server is going to be dedicating. So the minute is 256 megabytes of RAM. You can change that to G and it'll be gigabytes. Make sure both values are the same, and don't overload it. You can check your RAM through the computer and control panel options on Windows. So we're going to click File, Save As. I'm going to save this in the same directory as my jar, otherwise it will not work. Make sure it's saved as all files so we can change the extension, and we're going to type run.bat. You can have start, run, whatever you want. I'm just going to click run, well, type run. We can close out that now, and now my craftbukkit.jar has downloaded. We can start the run batch file. So I'm going to click run. And this should load the recipes and achievements. There we go. And then it gives you some information on the server. Shows you how to launch it with more RAM. You can change the width for this, I think. I'm not too sure. Let me just open that again. Yeah, you can change the length. So I'm just going to pause this while it creates my spawn area and generates all of the files so I can show you what to do. Okay, so now that's done, this console window here will need to be open. If you close it, your server will shut down, so it needs to be open whenever you want the server to run. So basically this console is going to be used as your console, this command window. So you can op people, so op spudmonkey, which is my in-game name. So op in spudmonkey, ban pickles, sorry pickles if you're watching, I've just banned you. We're going to minimize that, and I'm going to go into my server properties here. It should be a server properties file. 2 seconds. Just had to check something was working then. So yeah, here are your properties, and basically you can edit the server settings here. So let me just check the console again. Okay, we'll go back out of that. So basically these server settings allow you to change the IP and stuff like that. You will need to edit the IP for other people to join. So basically if you have a program like Hamachi, basically this tutorial is showing you how to create the server, not how to set it up. But you put your Hamachi IP there. We can also change if NPCs spawn, spawn animals, change the texture pack in 1.3.1. That's how you can tell it's 1.3.1. Allow flight false, you can change the name of the world, allow never, all stuff like that, and message of the day, so, pickles, sorry. And that will save, and you can close out of this, save all, you can save all. So that saves the world and stuff like that. So you can actually add plugins in the plugins folder, and this should generate all of these files on first use of that run.bat. So every time you want to start your server up, you just click run, wait for the achievements, there we go. So it prepares the spawn area. You won't have to wait long for that because it's already done it, unless it's a big world. It'll prepare all the regions, and then that's it. So that is how to create a Bukkit server for 1.3.1. Thank you for watching. Please rate and subscribe if this helped you, as I'm always updating videos every time a new Minecraft video